everybody. It's currently 8:38 a.m. in the morning and I'm on my way to office. Para minsan ano ka naman, hey everybody, it's lunchtime.
Meron ka kung hindi ako sinandan?
Nag-send siya sa ano, company phone.
Hindi, wala. No. Alam ko kasi nung ano, lagi ako nililibre.
I mean, sa akin naman, on my part. Okay naman yung ganun, especially kung walang-wala naman yung partner mo. Pero it would be better kapag give and take.
Okay.